Welcome back. Following up on the last video, we continue to explore the options for movement and transformation of blocks. Remember that these three options allow you to move, rotate, and transform the blocks. Let's look at the following option, alignment. Select a block and with the rotate option and proceed to tilt it. Now press the alignment option. You will see that the tab is aligned at 90 degrees angle. Again, select a block and make 4 moves on it, including delete option. Now press the undo option as many times as you move the block. You will notice how your actions are undone. Let's look at the duplicate option. Select a block and then click on this option. The selected block will be duplicated and placed next to the original one. The snap or magnet option allows you to place blocks in line on the stage. It works on roads, crops, and fences. Select a block in this category type and place it next to each other. If the option is enabled, you can see that it will help you to place the tiles in an aligned way. The next option is move to a specific location. Select a block and then tap this option. You will see that the icon changes color when activated. Now tap on the place on the stage where you want to place the block. It will allow you to quickly move a block anywhere on the stage. We invite you to practice all these options with the different blocks of Prot. See you in the next video tutorial.